In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the wallpaper on your computer. The first thing to do is to right-click on your mouse. This will open up a drop-down menu, which has a button on there called Personalize. Select that option. Upon doing so, this will open up your settings. You can also access this menu by using the search bar down on the bottom. Okay, with the Personalization tab now open, select the background option here. Upon clicking this, you'll see that there are a couple different photos in which our computer is already prompting us to change the background with. You can select any of these and your background will automatically change. But you are not limited to these options. As you see, there is another drop-down menu in this right-hand corner, which gives you the option to change it to a solid color, have a slideshow, or have the Windows Spotlight, which is basically where Windows will choose a random photo every day to place as your background. If there is a specific photo that you would like to add, whether it's from the internet or one that you took, you can do that as well under the Choose a Photo setting. Here, you're going to select Browse. This will bring up all of your files in your computer, and then you can navigate to your image's location if it's downloaded onto your computer. Once you've selected it, then click Select Photo, and it will automatically change your background to that image. With custom photos, there are also a couple other options you can use to adjust the fit of the image on your screen. Here, we're going to select the Change Fit, and you have a couple different options you can use. I like to use the Fill option as it takes up the entire screen and seems to look best overall. And those are the steps to change your computer's wallpaper. Thanks for watching.